In this video, we'll explore strategies for bias mitigation and safety. By the end of this video, you will learn healthy application practices for addressing bias and safety issues throughout the development lifecycle. The practices that we'll cover are curating diverse datasets, monitoring the training process, flagging inappropriate outputs and behaviors, safety-focused prompt engineering, and testing. Before starting training an LLM, a key step is to carefully curate a diverse dataset to be used to train the model. Data should come from reputable sources and be screened for harmful content. In order to fight bias, we can use features like diversity filters to help remove skewed distributions. We can also use augmenting data, which is another technique to include underrepresented perspectives in the dataset. Next, the model can be monitored for fairness across different demographic groups during the training stage. We can use bias mitigation algorithms, which can adjust model parameters to reduce inequitable performance. For deployed models, techniques like likelihood ratcheting and content flagging filters can detect and reduce the generation of biased or toxic outputs. It's important to know that monitoring is not only for the training stage. Ongoing monitoring helps with identifying the emerging issues that need to be addressed. In addition, safety-focused prompt engineering teaches the model acceptable conduct norms and guides it toward a benevolent behavior when uncertain. Developers can refer to developer guidance documents to help them establish these healthy practices. And last but not least, testing is also a very important stage for mitigating bias. It should be done throughout the development lifecycle to analyze the model outputs for bias and safety issues before we release the application for production. In addition, audits by external researchers can add another layer of oversight, which is crucial for high-stakes applications. In conclusion, no approach is perfect, but combining best practices like curating diverse datasets, monitoring the training process, flagging inappropriate outputs and behaviors, safety-focused prompt engineering, and testing help us create the checks and balances needed for ethical and representative LLM applications.